Welcome back everyone to another tutorial, where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the FIFA 26 or EA Sports FC 26 on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. And now just type in FC26 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. Just scroll down and click on the Add to Library button if you wish to play the demo version first. You can also subscribe for the EA Play option, or you can add the game to your cart, depending upon which bundle or edition you would like to purchase. After clicking on Add to Cart, you can click on the View My Cart button to proceed towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and you can save this for later use as well. After you complete your transaction, the game will be available within your library, and you can begin the download and installation by choosing your directory. Once the installation is completed, you can start up the EA Sports FC 26 or the FIFA 26 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install FIFA or EA Sports FC 26 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.